Hello world, it's Coco here. I recently got some seat covers sent by Carbella. These are the new Fox fur seat covers, and they also come in 3 colors. They come in gray, black, and pink. And I'm really excited because this one is my favorite color, and they look very soft. I looked at the reviews. They're great reviews. People love them in their vehicle. I even had I also saw one that had put them in their office, which was very interesting, and she loves the seat covers. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to do some unboxing today. Oh wow, this is very soft. Yeah, these come with 2 front seat covers, which is great. Oh, I can't wait to put these in my vehicle, try these out. And they also have the airbag tags to line it up in their vehicle. Oh wow, yes, this looks very universal, like it fit in any vehicle. Wow, look how they just come out. And also they have installation instructions in the back of the box, so that's very easy for you to put it on. And let's see here. Wow, look at this. Very nice and soft and plush. Wow, I can't wait to put this in my car. I'm so excited. And look at the headrest. Very nice and comfortable. Very nice layer of cushioning. And also the seat covers come with some hooks, so if you want to adjust them tighter or looser, you could do that in your vehicle as well. This looks so good. Yeah, I can't wait to put it in. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install these in the vehicle and see how they look. I can't wait to put them on. And the instructions, there's only 4 steps, so it's very easy to install as well. So let's go ahead and put these in our vehicle and see how they look. And I hope you guys like them as much as I do, because so far so good. Okay.
Hello everyone, it's Coco. I'm here back, and I just finished installing my Fox fur seat covers from Carbella, and they were so easy to install. I didn't need any help at all with putting them on. All I just had to do was just remove the headrest, slip on the seat cover, and then once I was done, put back on my headrest to add my headrest cover. And yeah, it was so easy. Here's the airbag tag, also with the Carbella tag to let you know which cover to put the seats on for the driver's side and the passenger side. What I really love is that they covered the full back of the seat, and it was so easy to install. I just had to do minor little tucking to make sure that it stays in place. I took a test drive. They do not slide around, and I'm so happy with my beautiful pink fur seat covers. They're so cute. Like, how could you say no? So thank you again, Carbella, for sending out the seat covers. I really appreciate it, and I will be looking forward to getting more. Thank you so much. Have a good day.